Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we've got some bad news, good news, and bad news. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, thanks for tuning in. Bad news, I'll get it out of the way. I don't have tomorrow off work anymore, so I don't have Wednesdays off, so I can't really work on the car on a Wednesday. So I'm normally home during the day then, and I can make noise, I can cut up stuff, I can run the car, and the missus is back at work. She's doing 3 days, so she's doing Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So she doesn't get home until about 7 o'clock at night. So I've got the boys until then bedtime, bath, all that stuff. So I can't really get out here until after 8:30. And unfortunately, I can't make the noise that I like to get things done. So we're going to have to do most of this stuff on the weekends now, so you guys are going to have to wait until next week. I'm sorry about that. I'm a bit bummed too because I haven't heard this run yet. See if it doesn't have any more exhaust leaks and both turbos are actually turning and leaks and whatnot. Even starting the catch can. So I can't start that because I can't cut it. I guess I could mark it out, scribe it out, but can't cut it because it's too loud. But yeah, I probably could do some other things like clean it up, but I really want to get it out and clean it properly. So yeah, that's the good and bad news. Good news, going back to 5 days at work. So work has picked up. If you didn't know, I work at a Toyota dealership and sales are going through the roof. They're actually better than last year. So yeah, back to 5 days. More money, more parts, I guess. Oh guys, I was just thinking, so yeah, I won't be able to get out here until Friday night, I guess. So I might change the days that I upload. So I might have a weekend one. I might do 3. So a weekend one, like a Saturday, and then probably a Monday and a Thursday. So that being said, I'm just going to head inside now. It's getting pretty cold out here and edit. Thanks for sticking around. Any comments or questions, put them down below, and also put down below what horsepower or kilowatts do you think this build will make when it finally gets on the dyno. I know I was trying for 400. What do you guys think? 400 horsepower, that is, or about 300 kilowatts. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next episode.